Popularized by Pixar animation studios, plussing is a strategy that is derived from 3 improv principles. Number 1, accept every offer. Number 2, use yes and instead of yes but. And number 3, make your partner look good. According to Randy Nelson, former dean of Pixar University, a professional development program at the animation studio, plussing is when a team member takes the work or an idea of another person and thinks, here's where I'm starting. What can I do with this? How do I plus this? How do I accept the offer and make my partner look good? It is the open-minded act of taking an idea and making it better, continuing the creative conversation and momentum, and not shutting down ideas completely. To demonstrate the plussing technique to my students, I usually draw an example on the whiteboard of 2 students working together during a brainstorming. They model the 3 improv principles of accepting every offer, using yes and instead of yes but, and also making your partner look good.